Good evening and Merry Christmas in advance to our respected sirs, madam, my colleagues, and my dear students. Today we are here to celebrate the winter festive season.
Festivals are a very important part of our social and cultural life. All of us look forward to festivals all round the year. The colorful winter festival never misses to bring in laughter, fun, amusement, which fill our lives with freshness and vivacity, dispelling boredom and monotony of routine life. It begins with Christmas on 25th December every year, and this auspicious day symbolizes a very significant truth of the spiritual life.
Good afternoon to everyone. I am Kriti Kumari Singh from class 9A. Today, on the occasion of Christmas, I am very excited to share the reason behind celebrating Christmas. We celebrate Christmas Day as the anniversary of birth of Jesus Christ. He was born on 25th December of 4 BC at a village named Bethlehem near the town of Jerusalem in the kingdom of Judah. By that time, Augustus Caesar was the monarch of Rome. The father of Jesus was Joseph and the mother was Mary. While going from Nazareth, Jesus was born in a stable at Bethlehem on 25th December. That scenario has been explained with the help of this model. Thank you. Merry Christmas.
Good afternoon to our principal ma'am, respected teachers, classmates and other students of our institute. I am Chandra Shaw from class 9A. It is my pleasure to deliver few lines on this prosperous occasion of Christmas by presenting it with this model. When we are talking about Christmas, one thing which always strikes on our mind is Santa Claus. The children eagerly wait for Santa as it is believed that he distributes chocolates to every children on the Christmas evening. So, who is Santa Claus? Well, the legend of Santa Claus can be traced back hundreds of years to a monk named Saint Nicholas. He was born in around 280 AD in Patra, currently in Turkey. He was much admired for his pity and kindness, and he became the subject of many legends. In course of many years, Nicholas' popularity spread and he became the protector of children and sailors. He was named as saint and his day is celebrated as Saint Nicholas Day on December 6th. A true hero of people, Saint Nicholas still delivers his magical gifts to every children each year at the Christmas evening. The gifts of Santa deliver gifts of hope and joy, and it brings joy to all the children of the world. Thank you and Merry Christmas.
This is Tripti Pandey of class 9A from the school Gyan Bharati Balika Vidyalaya. As we know, this Christmas is celebrated as the day of the birth of the Christ into this world, which symbolizes a very significant truth of the spiritual life. So I am going to dedicate a poem on this. Here we go. Love came down at Christmas, love all lovely, love divine. Love was born at Christmas, star and angels gave the sign. Worshipped we the Godhead, love incarnate, love divine. Worship we our Jesus, but wherewith for sacred sign? Love shall be our token, love be yours and love be mine. Love to God and all men, love for plea and gift and sign. Thank you.
Kalpataru Utsav, which is an annual religious festival observed by the monks of Ramakrishna Mott in West Bengal, commemorates the day on 1st January 1886 when the followers of Lord Ramakrishna believed that Ramakrishna revealed himself to be an incarnation of God on this earth. Like the Christ, Ramakrishna's philanthropy, immense love for mankind, ability to teach lessons of life through simple pragmatic examples won the hearts of thousands of denizens irrespective of caste and creed.
Greetings to all my respected sirs, madams, and dear friends. We are Roshni Patel and Shruti Gupta from class 10 and 12 on the occasion of Kalpataru, going to dedicate our song. Thank you.
ভবসাগর তারণ কারণ হে রবিনন্দন বন্ধন খণ্ডন হে শরণাগত কিঙ্কর ফিত মনে গুরুদেব দয়া করো দীন জনে ভবসাগর তারণ কারণ হে রবিনন্দন বন্ধন খণ্ডন হে শরণাগত কিঙ্কর ফিত মনে গুরুদেব দয়া করো দীন জনে হৃদি কন্দর তামস ভাস্কর হে তুমি বিষ্ণু প্রজাপতি শঙ্কর হে পরব্রহ্মা পরাৎ পর বেদ বনে গুরুদেব দয়া করো দীন জনে রাম কৃষ্ণ শরণম রাম কৃষ্ণ শরণম রাম কৃষ্ণ শরণম শরণে बोलो राम कृष्ण शरणम राम कृष्ण शरणम राम कृष्ण शरणम शरणे शरणागतोऽहं 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 शरणे शरणागतोऽहं 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 शरणे रामकृष्ण शरणं रामकृष्ण शरणं रामकृष्ण शरणं शरणे.
Winter in India is regarded as the harvest season. This harvest season in Bengal is celebrated as Poush or Makar Sankranti, and a large cultural fair is also held in Birbhum district of West Bengal.
তোদের ডাক দিয়েছে আয় রে চলে আয় 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 পৌষ তোদের ডাক দিয়েছে আয় রে চলে আয় 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 ডালা যে তার ধরেছে আজ পাকা ফসলে মরি হায় 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 পৌষ তোদের ডাক দিয়েছে আয় রে চলে আয় 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 পৌষ তোদের ডাক দিয়েছে আয় রে চলে আয় 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 হাওয়ার নেশায় উঠল মেতে দিগবধূরা ধানের খেতে হাওয়ার নেশায় উঠল মেতে দিগবধূরা ধানের খেতে রোদের সোনা ছড়িয়ে পড়ে মাটির আঁচলে মরি হায় 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 তোদের ডাক দিয়েছে আয় রে চলে আয় আয়
নইলে রস গড়িয়ে গোড়া পুঁতে নইলে রস গড়িয়ে গোড়া পুঁতে অকালে হবে মধুর খেজুর গাছে হাড়ি বাঁধো খেজুর গাছে হাড়ি বাঁধো বেঁধে তারে মাটির এখন হাঁড়ি নিয়ে রশি দিয়ে বেঁধে তারে ওপরে করো তারে চুলন চুলন খেজুর গাছে হাঁড়ি বাঁধো মন খেজুর গাছে হাঁড়ি বাঁধো মন খেজুর গাছে হাঁড়ি বাঁধো মন খেজুর গাছে হাঁড়ি বাঁধো মন
New Year means new beginning. We all dream of undertaking a new venture happily and peacefully, keeping negativity, affliction, pain, perturbation, anxiety aside. May this new year 2021 fill our lives with tranquility and prosperity. Thank you.
Happy New Year once again 2021 in advance. May this year brings all of us happiness, prosperity, joy and wealth. Thank you.